guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Soundcore Q20i. Now let's talk about its features. It has active noise cancellation, 40mm dynamic driver for thumping bass. It also has high res sound, 40 hours ANC playtime and 60 hours music playtime. Also has Soundcore app with customizable EQ, transparency mode, and it can connect to two devices simultaneously. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. They have given us the USB-C cable, and they have also given us the aux cable. These are the headphones. Now let's talk about its build quality. It has a high quality plastic and the rubber is very smooth and it feels very good to wear. They are given us rubber over here too. It feels very comfortable. Now let's talk about ports and buttons. It's on the right side. These two are volume rockers. This is a pause and play button. This one is charging cable, and this is aux cable port. This is a switch on and off button. Now let's talk about noise cancellation and transparency mode. It has 5 microphones for noise cancellation and transparency. The transparency is good and noise cancellation is good, but compared to an AirPod, it's not so good. Transparent. Now let's talk about the main thing, the speaker quality. The standard speaker quality is good and we can pair it with the Soundcore app to adjust sound such as the bass, treble, vocal. It's good for all kinds of listeners because they can adjust the sound according to them. As they've given us 40mm drivers, we can get a good bass. I conclude that this headphone is a really good buy for 6,000 rupees. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe.